everyone, we're going to put foundation first. Put small amount on your face, all over the face, and then start tapping lightly onto the face. Ta 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 ta, just lightly. Okay, this is done. Eyebrows. We're going to draw eyebrows with a light brown color and softly without much pressure. Going to do the same for the other side, lightly drawing, following the natural shape of your eyebrows, and see if they're well balanced. To use the brow gel to make sure my eyebrows are perfect. With eyebrow gel, my eyebrows will not move, so I love the product and use it often. I'm going to curl my eyelashes, flipping multiple times to make sure that they are up and hold. I was scared to use this blue glittery shade before, but then I broke the shade and completely they're about to be gone, so I decided to use it. But then I fell in love with it because it has a beautiful shade of blue and gray, so I was using it along with the gray shade right next to it. And it's really great because it really brings your eye out, and the color is really subtle if you use it and then gradient it well enough. And I'm going to use the brown shade to make sure that they're all blended nicely, and then give it a little bit of a shade onto your eye. Blending it well is the key to smoky eyes, so just to make sure that you're going to blend gray and the blue part well. Use the gold shadow for the front of your eye onto the eyeliner. First, decide on how much longer you want your eyeline to be and the angle, whether you want it upward or not. Then draw carefully from outer eye to inner eye. When it's a liquid eyeliner, you have to be extra careful not to mess up. Go over as needed. This eyeliner is perfect, non-smudgy, super neat and soft. Always use it for under eyeliner. I'm gonna put on some lashes, gluing it carefully. Woo. And then put it on really close to your eye, following the eyeliner, and then gently push it down. Onto the other side, having beautiful lashes really boosts up your look. It's a simple magic in my opinion. It can be hard for beginners, but practice makes perfect. I'm going to use the palette for blush. When applying blush, you don't want it to be too pink because it will clash with your deep smoky eye. I like it to be natural and feminine. Applying a little bit of shimmer will boost up your confidence. We're going to contour a little bit with this compact round brush. With this kind of tight brush, you are more likely to control the amount of shading you're doing on the desired area. Continue shading on the outer line of your face with light pressure. You don't want any harsh lines, right? When you shade with lighter pressure, you can go over it many times, so I prefer this way. Now we're choosing the lip color. Again, I chose nude color with a little bit of orange tint instead of going full red. I like it to be subtle with a hint of red, going full red. Adding a bit of gloss here. And with the MLB color, I'm going to do the middle of the lips. And we're done! Thanks for watching this tutorial, and make sure you have an amazing holiday in your best outfit and smile. See you soon! Bye!